Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am extremely excited for today's video because we are going to be turning into Plastique Tiara. Plastique Tiara is probably the most gorgeous drag queen. She does something to me. And on top of that, I think I have been getting a little bit better at like the whole like drag thing. If you guys haven't seen my picture on Instagram, well, there you go. So this time around, we're gonna be doing the hair, the outfit, the jewelry. It's gonna be a whole outfit. So with that being said, make sure to go watch my last video where I follow a Nikki makeup tutorial. And without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started.
Hey, ewa salame, babak no papier, ewa salame, zingzalbim, ewa salame, hey, hey.
I glued on my brows and my sideburns off camera because that part is boring, but we're gonna be following the Plastique Tiara's basic biological woman look. As always, the video will be right here for you guys to watch.
I'll let that dry. I'm gonna color correct. Grab your orange, put it on your beard, and you're gonna look like a monster.
T, at this point, I don't even fight it anymore. I don't even care. I also put some underneath my eye because I noticed that whenever I do this type of color corrector, the rest of my skin starts to look even greener than it was before because there's so much clashing going on. So I really have to address that on top.
You're gonna set that with powder.
I've never set my color corrector with powder, so.
So you're gonna take your foundation, full coverage.
You guys see me like pulling up my sleeves like I'm about to like fix a car or something.
Foundation that is dirty as hell. Oh my god.
Before y'all call me out, I'm gonna call myself out. Yes, I am using a lot of foundation right now. When you are doing drag makeup, you really need to apply a lot more than usual.
Now you take your dirty ass concealer brush, go in like this. You map out where you want your highlights to be. Oh, I forgot to contour first.
Okay, so I paused the video so I can kind of see where she mapped out the concealer. And she mainly focused the concealer around here and then started trilling it down slowly. Seeing me willingly lather on all these products is literally so weird. What would you
contour with a darker foundation shade.
Yes, with the little fatter brush. I will be using my little fat brush as well. I am obsessed with this trick. I have not stopped doing this since the Nikki Tutorials video. It has made my life so much easier.
I'm just placing the product on right now. I'm not blending yet.
Oh, girl, you look blended already. Huh? Okay, so I paused the video just to like look at the contour that she's doing. It's very heavy in this area over here, which I started to do when I started doing like drag as well. But you really gotta do that harsh contour if you really wanna like trick people into thinking you're Mariah Carey's cousin.
A dark brown, and I'm gonna carve out my crease. Dark shadow where you want your crease to be, and you blend it out. Wow, that looks so fucked up.
It does.
I'm gonna take some of your lighter concealer and you're gonna carve out your crease.
So I'm gonna try, but like please don't kill me if I get this wrong. Oh my god, we did that!
Just doing some shimmer and reach.
Wait, but what is that? What is that? What is that? Don't leave me in the dark. Okay, so it's like a shimmery champagne shade. I think I do have that. It's giving me very this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I'm just putting the dark brown eyeshadow that I put on at the beginning underneath the lash line and following that line upwards to create an eye shape before I go in with the darkest color. Now we're gonna take the dark brown again. Go in here.
Go in where, ho? Oh, I see.
Trying to blend this, I just want to do that.
Whoa, hold. Oh, I see what this is. I know what this technique is called. It's called setting up. I think I got it. I think. I can't tell.
Brown. And kind of like fade it into the shimmer. Yes! Now you
Oh, don't say that, please. Don't say that. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. Oh, that does look really fierce though.
Black. And you gotta be careful with this. Whatever it is you want to create.
What kind of brush was that? A little trifling brush, that's what.
Liquid liner will glide over the glitter better too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, these eyes are starting to not look like they're mine.
Gonna dust off the powder.
Finally.
Foundation powder. And we're gonna take it on and do this.
Okay, so I have something very similar, and that is the Dragon Beauty Transformation Palette, which is essentially a brightening powder, which is also what she's using the powder foundation for. There is literally one spot on my face where this powder does not want to catch. I don't know why.
Right now we're gonna go in with our bronzer. You're just wondering, like, you know, bronzer out of perimeter.
So the contour was different from the bronzer. I guess we're gonna like bring back more color.
You see how that just make my face look a little skinnier? Just a little bit. You're gonna take a lighter highlighting powder. Oh, you see that? Put that down your nose.
This area is essentially a light beacon now. I've also spent the entire hour trying to get rid of this line that pops up when I turn to the side. But then I realized it's actually nothing to do with the pigment. Literally just the way that I was built.
Onto our nose. Bada bing, bada boom. Kind of like connect it into your eyeshadow. And then you can clean up with the sponge that you put your highlight. So the closer your highlight is to your nose, the better.
What do you think, y'all? Oh! Oh! Oh!
This is where you can go crazy.
What, where?
Because the more blush you put on,
Oh, blush.
the prettier you will be.
Oh yes, y'all. I'm looking like a rotisserie chicken. Like, you know the ones from Walmart?
And this is when you can feel your pheromone fantasy. First highlight, I'm gonna place it right here.
Oh, as if I didn't have enough texture already.
And then draw brows on at the end to make my life a little bit easier. I'm gonna take a soft brown.
Oh my god, actually, wait, I lied. So, Plastique actually does her brows differently now, and I much prefer those so much more. I'll show you guys a picture of it now. As you guys can see, they're like more like Kendall Jenner type. So I actually am going to do this step out of camera to meet that standard, and I'll be right back.
6.5 hours later.
This was honestly the hardest brow that I ever tried because I really wanted to get like that elevated look.
When you grow up in a Catholic Asian family, you're the only gay kid in the whole entire family tree. You want to be cute, you gotta learn to curl your eyelashes with a spoon.
I'm terrified of lash curlers. So, no. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my mascara.
And lashes for me is when
Those are huge. I wish I had lashes those huge, but I don't.
Oh my god! She's a woman! I don't really like chunky bottom lashes because it makes my eye looks like a tarantula.
Oh, those look like they're a necessity. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Oh my god, the last thing we gotta do is the lips now.
Take your lighter lipstick, go in the center.
Is that it?
Last step is the gloss one.
Oh girl, this is my regular routine. Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna spoil anything for y'all. I'm just gonna let y'all see the final result when I have the full-on outfit.
One debt to society later.
Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. Now, I had an entire different outfit planned for this, but like it just didn't fit with the hair. So I think I'm just gonna save it for an entirely other day when I have like a new wig that's like super fancy, that can really get down with it. But for now, I'm just gonna do this outfit, which I do not mind, because I'm giving myself very Bayonetta teases like with this little thing. I got the black and the red. I don't think I can show you guys the whole outfit because like YouTube or whatever, but if y'all want to see the full outfit, go check out my Instagram. Here are the heels. Like I said, Bayonetta. Stick some little guns on those things. So yeah, I look like if Bayonetta and Ariana had a child, and that would be me. Do you guys like my Bayonetta getup or no? Let me know what other makeup looks you guys want me to follow. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you guys. Can I do a little Bayonetta kick? Ooh, no, I can't. Ooh. In the future. Bye. I'm about to pull a witch time on y'all. I'm about to be like,